You're watching a behind the scenes ride along video, part 3 of character creation for the Great Western Wrestling Alliance. Okay, welcome back to the third and last video in this ride along behind the scenes on character creation. Today we are going to just finish up the last two little portions of when I create a character. And the first of which is to, let's just go back to this other one here. I store all my created characters in a Google Sheet, and I have a little form that I use to help me fill that out. So I'm just going to fill that out. So. And I don't do anything with the spreadsheet as of yet, but I hope to soon. Let's see. The Black Hearts lock. Okay, and I don't worry about the start date. So now this little Google form that I created here, just entered in this row, which I probably could have done without the row, but I get the little timestamp and whatever, right? I'm just trying to make this little industrialized, standardized process. Okay, so now then the last piece is to go into Adobe Express. Nope, not that one. Let's go to a different one. And I create a little poster for all my characters. So let's go into my stuff, projects, GWA. And here you can see I've got posters for every one of my characters, which I haven't really shown anyone yet. And really it's kind of character reference for me. But I always start with the same way. I always start by just to get the same template, duplicating Canyon Carl Henderson. So this is going to be okay, and this is where I am a little artistic and a little creative, a little. So I get rid of the image here. I upload the new one, and let's do it with. Yeah, I like the profile, I like the whole Monty, right? And then we do this little boom. We'll remove the background, and then I embiggen it. And what did I say his catchphrase was? In a world of rules, he is the reckoning. In a world of rules, he's the reckoning. All right. So maybe make it a little smaller here. And, this is kind of the boring part, if you will, but I'll tell you what else I'm going to do. I'm going to just make this, and then I'm going to make it seem like it's just ducking up underneath there. Yeah, okay. And we're going to extend these out and make them a little smaller. I keep the font on the bottom always the same. I'm going to get these down to 2 long lines and drag them down so that they the center here. And now let's drag these two down. Okay. And then let's change the background color here to be too dark. Let's do it again. All right, good. Okay, so now we do Brad Boone. And we're actually going to do, he's one of the few that we're going to do two. Oh my God. Okay. Nope. Well, okay, so I don't know. Something else I do is font. Okay. For just copy and paste it. We'll see what they say. Ironwood. Okay, I like it. I didn't, I try it around. Okay, I like this. So make him just a tiny little bit smaller. I think this probably can be bigger if it's straighter. And make it just until it gets to be two rows. 650 is good. I'm not going to get better than that. Okay, so then we'll put this here, and then we'll make this bigger also, I guess, 650. And I can move this down. This is too far up. That's probably good. And boom, Brad Boone the back heart. That's the poster. So now I'm done. I download this and I click publish. And we look at our Brad Boone, the black art. Shows up on the website. There we go. Just mean, nasty, vile. Okay. Well, sorry for a lot of blank air as I was testing around, but this is really just the right along process, and yeah, hope you've enjoyed. Thanks a lot.